Hey everyone, this is Kellen from electricwheelchairsusa.com. In this video, we'll be reviewing the Triaxe Cruze, a highly popular folding mobility scooter. One standout feature of this scooter is its impressive weight capacity of up to 350 pounds, which is more than most folding mobility scooters on the market. By the way, we offer a free catalog of our top-selling products. You can request it online by clicking Free Catalog and filling out your details. It typically arrives within 10 days. You can also give us a call to request one. Let's dive into the features of the scooter. Its design is quite straightforward, with no flashy digital dashboard. It comes with 2 sets of keys, and the battery gauge, though somewhat difficult to see in this lighting, is illuminated and fully charged. The scooter includes a speed control knob for adjusting up to its maximum speed of 6 miles per hour, and there's also a horn for added convenience. The throttle is ambidextrous, meaning you can accelerate forward or reverse with one hand, making it accessible for individuals with limited mobility in one hand. Whether you're left or right-handed, operation is simple. This scooter is airline-approved and can travel up to 18 miles on a single charge. The seat is 18 inches wide, well padded, and comes with a seat back for comfort. However, it does not include armrests, so keep that in mind if armrests are a priority for you. Quick announcement, we're giving away a free scooter. To enter, subscribe to our YouTube channel and leave a comment with your thoughts on this video. Good luck. Let's discuss folding the scooter. It's incredibly easy. First, turn off the scooter, remove the key, and fold down the seat back. Next, use the lever located behind the seat to fold the scooter entirely. The tiller is height adjustable, and when folding, you'll want to lower it completely. Although the front basket isn't shown in this video, it does come standard with the scooter. To complete the folding process, detach the height adjustable tiller by pulling up the knob and laying it flat. The anti-tip wheels extend to make transporting the scooter behind you much easier. When not needed, they fold back into place, and the scooter can stand upright on its own. Since it's airline approved, you'll need to remove the battery to carry it on board. The battery is stored in a compartment that opens like a drawer by pulling a pin. Once removed, you can easily carry it with you. The scooter offers 2 seat height options, making it suitable for taller individuals. At 6'4", I find it comfortable, with plenty of room for my knees and feet. It also features electromagnetic brakes that engage automatically when you release the throttle, a great safety feature. The front suspension helps absorb bumps, and the 3-wheel design allows for a tight turning radius, complemented by anti-tip wheels at the front to ensure stability. If you have any questions about the Triaxe Cruze, feel free to call us. We're open every day, and you can reach us at 1-800-682-9444 or visit electricwheelchairsusa.com. Thanks for watching, and have a fantastic day.